Hello, language learners! Teacher Daniela here from Lumos Language School. Welcome back to the English Tip of the Week. Today, we're exploring the world of pronunciation again, and we're learning about three sounds that can sound very similar. The sh, j, and ch sounds. Learning how to pronounce them will help your English sound even better. Let's get started. First, let's talk about where to put your tongue. Imagine that your mouth is like a little cave. For the sh sound, you're going to put your tongue close to the roof of your mouth. And when I say the roof of your mouth, I mean this hard part that's on top of your tongue, you know? So you're going to put your tongue close to that roof, and then you're just going to let the air out. Try it. It's like saying shh when you want someone to be quiet, you know? Some dialects of Spanish use this sound all the time in words like pollo or calle. So if you are from Argentina or Uruguay, this sound should be really easy for you. Now, for the j sound, you're gonna keep your tongue in the same place as for the sh sound, but this time you're gonna add a little vibration to it. So keep your tongue on the same spot, but just let your voice vibrate a little bit. Try it. Zzz, zzz. It's like when you put your cell phone on silent mode in the movie theater. Look. Zzz, zzz. Last, the ch sound. This sound is very common in many languages like Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, German, and Chinese. In words like, for example, ciao. To make this sound, you're going to put your tongue against the roof of your mouth. So you're going to touch the roof of your mouth with your tongue, and then you're going to let the air out, but with like a little explosion. Cha, cha. It's like if you were saying cha, cha, cha. Okay, so let's recap. The sh sound is quiet, or like the sound you make when you want someone to be quiet. Shh. The j sound has a little vibration to it. And finally, the ch sound is like a little explosion happening in your mouth. Ch, ch. Now, let's practice with some words. Repeat after me and pay attention to how your tongue and voice work together. First, the sh sound. Ship, wish, and fresh. Now, the j sound. Measure, pleasure, and treasure. And finally, the ch sound. Watch, chat, and teach or teacher. Sometimes telling the sh, j, and ch sound apart can be tricky. A common mistake, especially with the sh and the ch, is substituting one sound by the other. In other words, saying share instead of chair. One is the verb to share, as in share this video with all of your friends. And the other one is the thing that you sit on. So, big difference. Or for example, saying chips and ships. Imagine that you want to buy some chips to eat, but instead you say, hey, I would like some chips. People will be confused for a second. And last one, please don't call your teacher teacher. Or don't say hello teacher instead of hello teacher. Now, let's put these sounds into sentences. First, the sh sound. She showed me a shiny seashell. The j sound. Claire enjoys the pleasure of measuring the treasure she found. Lucky Claire. And finally, the ch sound. Chad checks his watch while he eats chips. And now, for a bit of a challenge, try out this tongue twister. If Charlie choose shoes, should Charlie choose the shoes he choose? Give it a try. It's a fun way to test your sh and ch sound skills. Now, if you want a little extra practice with the zh sound, I have a few words for you to try out. Ready? Television, decision, and massage. Great job, language learners. Remember, mastering these sounds takes practice. So, keep repeating, listening, and challenging yourself. With practice, you will be a pro pronouncing these sounds. Thank you for joining us again for the English tip of the week. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Also, if you haven't already, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We'll see you again next week. Ciao!